All right, today I'm going to go over 4 types of division word problems. Now, if we go through um, these questions, you'll see that they're almost identical. So let's just read them off really quickly. One is 46 people are going on a field trip. Cars can hold 6 people. If they fill up all cars before putting people into the next car, how many cars are needed to bring everyone on the field trip? 2. 46 people are going on a field trip. Cars can hold 6 people. If they fill up all cars before putting people into the next car, how many full cars would there be going on the field trip? 3. 46 people are going on a field trip. Cars can hold 6 people. If they fill up all cars before putting people into the next car, how many people would be in the car that is not full? And 4. 46 people are going on a field trip. Cars can hold 6 people. If they fill up all cars before putting people into the next car, how many more people would need to go in the less than full car to make it full? So, each one of these problems has the same division problem. So it is just 46 divided by 6. Which, what does that equal? That equals, I know that 6 times 7 is 42, so the answer would be 7, and then 42, and then to get to 46, it would be 4 more, so it's 7 remainder 4, right? Because 46 minus 42 is 4. So it is 7 remainder 4. Now this is applicable for each of them. For the first one, it says how many cars are needed to bring everyone on the field trip. Okay, so to bring everyone on the field trip, now there would be 7 full cars and then a car that has 4 people in it, right? So if we just took 7 cars, there would be 4 people waiting in the parking lot. We can't do that, right? So how many cars do we need to go on the field trip would actually be 8, which would be the quotient, and then the remainder counts as another one. So it's just the quotient plus 1 to actually be able to bring all of these people on the field trip at once. So 2, let's see what 2 is asking. It is asking how many full cars would there be going on a field trip. So how many full cars are there? There's 7 full cars. We don't care about the remainder anymore because this car is not full. So the answer to 2 would be 7. So the first one is how many cars do we need? It becomes the quotient, and then any remainder would be an extra car, so it's 8. 2, they're asking only for the 4 full cars, so that's 7 because this remainder is a not full car. All right, so let's look at 3. 46 people are going on a field trip. Cars can hold 6 people. If they fill up all cars before putting people into the next car, how many people would be in the car that is not full? So, as we said, we have 7 cars that are full. And how many people are in the car that is not full? There's 4 left over. So number 3 is just the remainder. Okay? So number 3 is just the remainder. How many people are in the car that's not full? There's 4 people. Now 4. It says how many more people would need to go in the less than full car to make it full. So we know that there are 4 people in the less than full car, right? And how many people fit in a car? 6. So to make the less than full car full, how many would we have to add to 4 to make 6? The answer is just 2, right? Because if there are 6 spots in a car, there are 4 people in it, we just need 2 more to make it full. So these are the 4 types of division word problems that I've noticed. And in doing the 4th grade EOG, which you can check out in the playlist on my channel, there were a couple of these questions, and they're definitely slightly complicated because you have to know what the question is asking you for. Because each one of these questions uses this exact equation and answer, but they're all 4 different answers. So you need to figure out what it's actually asking you for.